There it is. Day one, massive hill, about 1,000-meter climb. Which really isn't that much, I guess, but when you factor in the gradient, I'd have to look on my Garmin later to see what that was, but I've had to push it up the whole way, and yeah, so yeah, this hill's destroying me. So I'm surrounded by a beautiful old growth forest, so I'm just taking it in. The flowers, I'm not sure if you can see them along the side, they're called fox club, I think. My buddy Jeff tells me that if you take a close look, almost every plant will have a little spider that lives in the flowers and ambushes like honeybees and stuff like that when they go in there. Yes, sir.
Oh, what's your name?
Dean.
Sorry?
Dean.
Dean, Gringo.
Yep. Nice to meet you.
What's your YouTube channel?
Wandering Eye Outdoor Adventures.
Okay, yeah, just some support.
Yeah, oh yeah, always. For sure. Thanks, buddy.
Good job.
Thanks, man. Have a good day. Hi, everyone. Just at camp here for day one. It's been a great day. Started out at my buddy Jeff's house and rode up to Langford. Got some supplies at the grocery store and Canadian Tire. And now I'm on Wolf Hill, and I'm camped off a little public bathroom site here. It's not really a campsite, but you'll see. I'll show you around in a minute. But alright, everybody, so just wrapping up day one here. Got a little fire going, nothing spectacular, not the best spot for that, so just trying to keep it low-key. There's the tent, but more importantly, look at this amazing spot that I'm camping in for day one. So I hiked off the trail, I don't know, about 500 yards or maybe more, 600-700, and this is where I'm at. Pretty incredible. I know this isn't going to do it any justice because like every inch of ground is covered in moss and it's absolutely incredible. So anyways, just wrapping up day one. Wanted to say bye to everybody. That's it for day one. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna sit around for a bit, enjoy a little fire, and then I'm gonna hit the sack and be up early for another day on the road. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Yeah, I'm leaning forward. I didn't adjust this properly, but anyways, great day one, and look forward to talking to you guys a little more tomorrow. Ciao. Okay, hey everybody, I'm just heading out day two. Got rained in for most of the morning and into the afternoon, so gonna do what I can. I just didn't want to camp here again tonight. Beautiful place, but not perfect for camping. I need a water source and just flatter ground and less trees overhead that could fall down on me. So anyways, heading out now. I'm gonna show you the slug out. I didn't show you on the way in, but I had to hike back here a bit, so here we go. So hi everyone, end of day 2, did about 55 kilometers, biggest day so far. Yeah, everything went really well. Cowichan Valley Trail is absolutely stunning. The one section, if I saw one cougar track, I saw 100 because there was cougar tracks everywhere. So if you want to see a cougar, the Cowichan River Valley Trail, probably a good place. I'm making a lot of noise when I'm moving, so I'm probably scaring them away, but yeah, anyways, I'm just in camp now. I'm all set up, and I'm looking to another big day, hoping to make it to Cowichan Lake tomorrow, and around the bend of that too, and heading towards Nanaimo. So anyways, just make sure everybody's safe, and hope you guys are all well. Sorry, mosquitoes are just terrible. But yeah, so I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow morning. So there's another day in the books, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. The trestle, the 66-mile trestle last night, as I mentioned. Beautiful morning, not a cloud in the sky, so hopefully I can get some of the GoPro batteries charged up. And the GoPro is definitely my best way to record stuff during the day. I definitely don't want to ride holding my Canon camera in my hand. But yeah, so I'm hoping to get up to Cowichan Lake today and pass there. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get some wildlife sightings today. That would be sweet. As I was about to start recording, a bald eagle flew maybe 20 feet over my head and into the valley. I thought it landed, so I ran over with the camera, but no, I couldn't find it. So that would have been a great way to start the day. Check out the size of this slug. There's my hand, just for reference. Big one. All right, talking. Just finishing up day number 2. Just camped out on this little site on the Cowichan Valley Trail. But yeah, so there's the tent. I'm kind of just camped in this little clearing. I don't know if it was an old road before. But yeah, you can kind of see, here's where I am. There's my tarp drying out. But yeah, pretty special, pretty great spot. And it's flat, that's the best thing. So anyways, that's another day in the books. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. That's it for day 2. See you later. Ciao. Well, good morning everyone. Beginning of day 3. So had a decent sleep. My neck's a little sore this morning. Can't seem to get it the stiffness out of it, but anyways, today I will still be on the Cowichan Valley Trail, as I probably will be for the next couple of days, working my way up to Cowichan Lake. So you can check that out on a map if you'd like. If you're looking at the Great Trail, just click on the part that says Cowichan Valley. It's the section that goes through Cowichan Valley Provincial Park. So yeah, I will check in with you as the day progresses, and I'm just gonna have some breakfast now. So have a great day everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye. All right, everyone, I'm just at the Kinsole Trestle. Pretty impressive, eh? So guys, there was no sign out for day 4, but the day did end in Lake Cowichan, the town of Lake Cowichan, that is. It was a great day of riding. Early on, I was a little limited in my editing skills and what to record and how to record and all that stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video and look forward to me doing a little re-edit of the whole, basically the first part of this trip. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Take good care. Ciao.